In this guide, you will learn how to trace an email sender's location. First, launch your Gmail on your PC or laptop. Once you are in, click on the suspicious email that you want to check. In the top right corner of the email, you will see three dots next to the reply button. Click on those dots and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and select Show Original option. A new page will open up, displaying all the details of the email. In this page, look for a line that says SPF, Sender Policy Framework. This is where you will find the email's IP address. Once you locate the IP address, highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. Next, head over to any free IP lookup website. There are several sites out there that will allow you to do this for free. Once on the website, paste the IP address. Within seconds, you should see the approximate location of the sender, including the country and Internet Service Protocol ISP details. And that's it. This way you can easily trace an email sender's location. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.